love freedom in all the aspects. And I like to share that freedom and to give it away to everybody. And I understand that this is the moment in time that I can become the one destined to be whatever I learned in my life. The reason that I was born is for this moment.
Good afternoon, everybody!
This was freaking amazing. This was really good.
We had an amazing event in Tallinn. Everything was absolutely perfect.
My questions are simple. They are two. Do you believe?
We got the spark. From that spark there was like interest was there, so we started learning more and more.
Actually, it's very important to be in any of the events.
You're an electrician and you're now Blue Diamond. Do you know about Estonia? The most advanced info technology country in the world.
The really important thing is to build your network properly.
Because the follow-up with the people is the most important thing. Are we following Andy here?
And when they actually told that they're doing it in a newer technology, what can actually scale, what can actually go very big, then I was like very, very interested. So, okay, tell me more how it is.
The company did everything. They have everything, the technology, the marketing plan, the support is what we do with the opportunity that is given to us.
Mis iganes tööstus vajab tagasipidi muutusi. Aina vähem inimesi hakkab jääma siia.
Are you ready? We are able to make from this world a more honest place to be.
Here we go now.
This is very open source. Everything is open, the code. You can see the owner. There's nothing is hidden. It's a very smart choice.
Integrity, honesty, loyalty, transparency.
And everything is coming together, and that is creating the massive success that is actually around the world.
Praeguseks öeldakse peaaegu kõik.
When you have a vision, when you want to do something, then you need to have the right kind of people around you.
Are you there with your people? Are you there to help them? Take out of these events what you need for yourself.
Do you believe?
Because when you have the experience, the knowledge, and then you have the practice, together is the best.
I'm very happy that there were so many people who came and planning to go to the next level.
You need to think differently.
It's all about you. Let me and you become we.
You need to have a personality.
So whatever happened in your life happened for a reason, ladies and gentlemen. Everything has led to this moment.